Welcome back to the channel and I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So today we'll discuss all the facts related to the coronavirus. So COVID-19 is a disease caused by SARS-CoV-2. So SARS-CoV-2 is a virus which is causing the COVID-19 disease. A coronavirus is a kind of common virus that causes an infection in your nose, sinuses or upper throat. In 2019, it was outbroken in China, and the World Health Organization identified this SARS-CoV-2 virus as a new type of coronavirus. So during the first or second lockdown, you might have heard many conspiracy theories which suggest that it was manufactured in the Chinese laboratory. But a vast majority of the scientists who have studied the virus agree that it evolved naturally and crossed into humans from animal species, most likely bat. So जो ज़्यादातर साइंटिस्ट हैं जो इसके ऊपर डिटेल स्टडी किए हैं वो ये बिलीव करते हैं दैट ये नेचुरली एवॉल्व किया है और ह्यूमंस के अंदर आया है थ्रू बैट. It can affect your upper respiratory tract like sinuses, nose and throat, or lower respiratory tract like windpipe and lungs. It spreads the same way as like other coronaviruses do, mainly through person to person contact. So here just note that there may not be a single type of coronavirus. There might be a lot of types of coronaviruses. So but all the coronaviruses have one thing in common, that they spread from person to person contact. SARS-CoV-2 is one of the 7 types of coronaviruses, including the one that cause the disease like Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, MERS, and certain acute respiratory syndrome, SARS. So SARS-CoV-2 is one type of coronavirus, like the other type of coronavirus which causes MERS and SARS. The other coronaviruses cause most of the colds that affect us during the year but aren't serious threat for healthy people. So जो other types of coronaviruses हैं वो ज़्यादा threats pose नहीं करते. A Chinese study of 103 COVID-19 cases suggests that the virus can mutate as it infects people. So after infecting people, it can also mutate. Mutate means changing into a new form through genetic change. They found two strains, which they named as L and S. The S type is older, but the L type was more common in early stages of the outbreak. So L and S are two mutants of the SARS-CoV-2. जो अर्ली स्टेजेस में जो पेशेंट्स कोरोना के पाए गए थे उनमें एल टाइप पाया गया था. सिम्टम्स ऑफ कोविड-19. द मेन सिम्टम्स इंक्लूड फीवर, कॉफिंग, शॉर्टनेस ऑफ ब्रेथ, ट्रबल ब्रीदिंग, फैटिग, चिल्स, बॉडी एक्स, then headache, sore throat, loss of smell or taste, nausea and diarrhea. And the virus may also lead to pneumonia, respiratory failure, septic shock and death. So the virus can also lead to these kind of diseases and death also. Many COVID-19 complications may be caused by a condition known as cytokine release syndrome or a cytokine storm. So what is this cytokine release syndrome or cytokine storm? So this is when an infection triggers your immune system to flood your bloodstream with inflammatory proteins called as cytokines. So ये कब होता है? जब इन्फेक्शन आपके इम्यून सिस्टम को ट्रिगर करता है रिलीज करने के लिए साइटोकाइन, which is an inflammatory protein. So this cytokine can kill tissue and damage your organs. A few lab studies have found that higher temperature and humidity levels might help slow the spread of the coronavirus. So बहुत सारे लैब स्टडीज में ये भी पाया गया था that टेम्परेचर बढ़ाने से या ह्यूमिडिटी बढ़ने से ये कोरोना वायरस का स्प्रेड कम हो सकता है. If you are infected, symptoms can show up in as few as 2 days or as many as 14 days. It varies from person to person. So infection 2 दिन में भी आपको शो कर सकता है और as long as 14 days में भी शो कर सकता है. So it all depends upon your immunity. अगर आप हेल्दी हो और आपका इम्यूनिटी स्ट्रांग हो तो आप में सिम्टम लेट में भी शो कर सकता है, as long as 14 days में भी शो कर सकता है. So some people who are hospitalized for COVID-19 have also dangerous blood clots, including in the legs, lungs, and arteries. Most of the time, it spreads when a sick person coughs or sneezes. They can spray the droplets as far as 6 feet away, and if you breathe them in or swallow them, then the virus can get into your body. So, अगर आप कोई infected person के कांटेक्ट में आते हो और वो अगर कफ या स्नीज करते हैं देन दे कैन स्प्रे द ड्रॉपलेट्स एज फार एज 6 फीट. सो इफ यू ब्रीथ देन और स्वालो करते हैं अगर आप देन यू कैन गेट इन्फेक्टेड. Some people who have the virus don't have symptoms, but they can still spread the virus. So as I have already said, it all depends upon your immunity. अगर आपका immunity strong हो तो so आप में symptom late में भी show कर सकता है. So इसी दौरान एक infected person कोरोना वायरस को spread भी कर सकता है. You can also get the virus from touching a surface or object the virus is on, then touching your mouth, nose or possibly your eyes. So अगर आप कोई सरफेस को टच करते हैं जिसमें वायरस प्रेजेंट हो देन आप अपने मुंह या नोज को टच करते हैं देन देयर इज अ चांस दैट यू गेट इन्फेक्टेड. वायरस कैन लिव फॉर सेवरल आवर्स ऑन अ सरफेस दैट दे लैंड ऑन. A study shows that SARS-CoV-2 can last for several hours on various types of surfaces. So on copper, it lasts for 4 hours. On a cardboard, it lasts up to 24 hours. On a plastic or stainless steel, it can last up to 2 to 3 days. Some dogs and cats have tested positive for the virus. If you have shown signs of illness, but there is no evidence that humans can catch it from the animals. So cats and dogs को भी कोरोना हो सकता है पर वो ट्रांसमिट करता है कि नहीं ये अभी रिसर्च से पता नहीं चला है. The transmission rate is relatively high. Early research has estimated that one person who has it can spread it between 2 to 2.5 other people. One study found that the rate was quite higher, with one case spreading in between 4.7 to 6.6 other people. So coronavirus symptoms: fever of 100 Fahrenheit or higher, cough, trouble breathing. A swab test is the most common method. It looks for the signs of the virus in your upper respiratory tract. The person giving the test puts a swab of your nose to get a sample from the back of your nose and throat. So ये टेस्ट में क्या होता है? So the person who is infected उसके स्वाब दिया जाता है. स्वाब मतलब ऑब्जर्वर एक दिया जाता है एंड सैंपल लिया जाता है फ्रॉम द नोज एंड थ्रोट. दैट सैंपल यूजुअली गोज टू अ लैब दैट लुक्स फॉर वायरल मटेरियल. देन ये सैंपल को भेजा जाता है लैब में to check if the sample contains virus or not. But some areas may have rapid tests that give results in as little as 15 minutes. If there are signs of the virus, then the test is positive. A negative test could mean that there is no virus or wasn't enough to measure. So negative अगर टेस्ट आया है तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि the person is not infected. There might be a chance that enough viruses नहीं है to measure करने के लिए. So this can happen in the early stage of the infection. It usually takes 24 hours to get the results. A swab test can only tell you whether you have virus in your body at that moment, but an antibody test can show whether you have been exposed to the virus even if you didn't have the symptoms in time. So antibody test check your blood by looking for antibodies of the corona. So antibody test क्या करता है? ये आपके blood को check करता है if the blood contains the corona antibodies or not. अगर उसमें corona antibody है तो इसका मतलब ये है that in the past you have infected with the COVID-19. It might also help them figure out who is immune to the virus. Surgical masks and N95 masks should be reserved for the healthcare workers and first responders. So the most effective kind of masks are the N95 masks and the surgical masks, which are given to the healthcare workers because they are more exposed to the threat. Coronavirus treatment. So there is no specific treatment for the COVID-19. People who get a mild case need care to ease their symptoms like rest, fluids and fever control. They can take counter medicine for a sore throat, body aches and fever. But aspirin shouldn't be given to the children or teens younger than 19. Antibiotics won't help because they treat bacteria, not viruses. If you hear about people with COVID-19 getting antibiotics, it's for an infection that came along with the disease. So कोई भी अगर पेशेंट अगर कोविड-19 से इन्फेक्टेड है और वो एंटीबायोटिक ले रहा है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि कोविड के लिए ले रहा है, वो इन्फेक्शन के लिए ले रहा है जो कोविड के साथ आता है. So the FDA, US Food and Drug Administration had issued an emergency use ruling for hydroxychloroquine and chloroquine, which treat malaria and autoimmune conditions like rheumatoid arthritis and lupus. But the ruling was removed because the studies didn't show that the drugs work against COVID 19 और that their benefits outweigh the risk. पर लेटर रिसर्च में ये पता चला है कि उसका जो बेनिफिट है वो रिस्क को आउटवे नहीं कर सकता. सो दिस मीन्स दैट हाइड्रोक्सी क्लोरोक्विन यूज करने से रिस्क ज़्यादा है एज कंपेयर टू बेनिफिट्स. सो दिस एंड्स all the important facts related to the coronavirus. Thank you guys.